Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the center speaker on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima 2009 to 2014. So let's get it. Alright, so we're replacing the center speaker. So all you're going to need is a little like splendor tool or something. Either a 5/16 or an 8mm 1/4 drive socket. Well, ratchet too. So what we're going to do, I already see this on the tiers, but we still gonna be careful. So just get like underneath here, because there is a tab here, 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 and here on the corners. So just carefully pull up. I'm trying to hold the camera. Oh, let me switch hands. All right, and then just pull up. And then once you got one side, you can pull the rest up. And if you want, you can lay something down here and put the pressure onto that. That way you're not putting direct pressure onto your dashboard. So pull it out, side to side, and that's the speaker. So it's supposed to be 3. This probably was removed before. So take out those 2. I believe it's supposed to be 1 over here. So use your ratchet and undo that. Alright, and then lift up, it's going to be a ground connector, and you want to push down on that tab right there and pull out. Switch hands again. Voila. I'm not sure how somebody had to sit there and puncture it, but anyways, no further ado, we're going to put our new one in. Oh, got to come on the back side. Alright, connect the new speaker. We're going to lay that one back in here. That's so. Now we are going to put the 8mm or 5/16 bolts back in. This one has 2. It's supposed to be 3. So like I said, probably something. That speaker was probably replaced before. Well, not replaced, but that's like bad. Alright. And then get the cover, the higher side, you can see. So once you got it lined up to its corresponding slot, just give it a tap. And voila. That's how you replace your center dash speaker and the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima 2009-2014. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.